Hi! In this video, I'll render the design of the future Chevrolet electric pickup truck out of these two screenshots from the latest GM marketing video. Welcome to Electric Design. GM has just announced their further investment in electrification, which is a great news for EV fans and the world in general. In this announcement, we got the chance to have a first glimpse of the much anticipated GM electric pickup truck. It's not a big surprise, hence GM already officially uncovered the GMC Omer EV pickup truck about a month or two ago. Actually, I already made a video praising the Omer EV design, as well as rendering the SUV version. And I wasn't too far off, as you can see in this side-by-side comparison with the actual Omer EV SUV from the same video. I'll put a link to this video in the description below, so go and check it out later. By the look of things, the Chevy electric pickup truck will feature a new design approach by GM compared with the current Silverado and whatever that is. The EV pickup will have a muscular yet minimalistic body lines, resulting in a strong stance, as well as an aggressive front end, but in a much more futuristic fashion with no grille and slim LED running lights above the separated headlight unit, much like in the current Silverado. I combined the two screenshots together and used as much bodywork as I could from those relatively low quality images, with this gentleman right in the middle. I started off with the front end by reconstructing the right hand side of the front. Notice this nice design cue. The emblem housing is this horizontally stretched light bar running across the front end and integrated smartly with the DRL unit. By the way, notice the Chevy badge. It looks like it will be flat colored compared with the current colorized Chevy emblem. And to be honest, I'm not so keen on this front end design, and the grille cutout reminds me of the Ford Mach-E. Ooh. But I'll wait to fully judge it when I'll see it in person, somewhere in the future. By the way, I also rendered the upcoming Chevy Bolt redesign. I'll put a link to this video in the description below. The side view is much more subtle in terms of visuals, but in a good way. Those sculpted and massive fenders looks awesome and reminiscing the new Omer EV pickup design. There's something about the side view that looks modern, sleek and robotish-like. I really like it. One element I'm not so sure I fully understand is the C-pillar trim piece. It seems like GM went on the floating roof style by covering the C-pillar with dark plastic, and if I get it right, it looks like there is a cutout inside this panel. I wonder what that is all about, but still, it's just a pure conjecture at this point. And there you go, the future Chevrolet electric pickup truck. So what do you think? Did I get it right? Do you like the new design approach by GM? Tell me in the comments. And don't forget to check out the Electric Design channel for more electric car design content, and hit the subscribe button. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you the next time.